Hey there. Splitting dinner, rent, or a group gift with friends? SoFi's Cover Your Friends feature makes it easy to request and send money right within your existing chats. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. In the SoFi app, tap the social icon, usually 2 people, to go to your friends list. Find the friend you want to split with and start a chat. Tap the dollar icon in the chat to request a specific amount or send money. You can add a note like, "For pizza," or "July utilities." Your friend gets a notification and can pay you back instantly if they also use SoFi. My crucial pro tip? Use it for recurring shared expenses. If you have a regular expense like a shared Netflix account or monthly rent with a roommate, set up a recurring request. It automates the process and ensures you get paid back on time without awkward reminders. That's how you turn money conversations between friends from awkward to effortless. Do you use built-in banking features to split costs, or do you prefer separate apps like Venmo? Let me know in the comments. For more tips on managing shared finances, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.